Well, one of the good things about YouTube is that we can share our ideas, and I must say I've learnt an awful lot from you YouTubers out there, and especially the shooting channels. Some wonderful channels there. Now I'd like to take this opportunity also to share another idea that I have. I've not seen anyone else do this, so it might be unique, but I don't see why it should be unique. It's such a simple idea, and some of the simple ideas are the best. But it's more of interest to those of you who may be shotgun shooters, because at the end of the day shooting we need to clean our guns, and one of the most expensive items for cleaning a shotgun that you have to buy are patches. I don't see why they should be so expensive. All they are really are pieces of tissue. So anyway, I'd like to show you this simple idea, and you can make yourself patches very, very cheaply. And all you'll need for this are these items: kitchen roll, obtainable very, very cheaply, about £1 I think, or £1 or £2 buys you 4 kitchen rolls, a sharp knife, a chopping board, a shotgun cartridge, a loaded shotgun cartridge, and the empty case that they come in. And this is how I go about it. It's important to keep the knife vertical. Maybe just cut in slightly in from the length of the cartridge. And that then will fit nicely inside the cartridge box. And what we can do now is actually make this into a dispenser. So this is how we go about making it into a dispenser. It's very simple. Fold one of those out like that. Find the end of the tissue. Just take a little bit off, it might be a bit too tight. Discard that. And there we have it. So whenever you want some patches, just pull. I generally find that 1.5 patches, 1.5 tissues, you can see where the edge of the tissue is. So 1.5 of those, and tear it off about there. Gives you sufficient material to wind on your jag to clean your gun. Phone's ringing. Doesn't that always happen when you're trying to film? Now that's just perfect for a 12 ball. Sometimes it just helps to spray a little bit of proprietary gun cleaner on your patch. This gun is clean, so it's not going to pick up much dirt out of this, but you can just see then it fits in beautifully. A snug fit into the bore. Rotate the patch as you push it up the barrel and then back. Still very clean. And the same for the top barrel. I think this just makes the whole job of cleaning your gun a whole lot easier and proficient. Your gun will thank you, it will last a lifetime. This, by the way, is a Beretta 687 Silver Pigeon, grade 5, which has been personally altered the stock to fit me. I'm not a great shotgun shooter, but I thought it was best to buy the best gun I could. It lasts me the rest of my life. I prefer my rifles more, but it's nice to go out with a shotgun occasionally and maybe walk up a hedgerow and get a pheasant or decoy some pigeons, which is mostly what I use the gun for. I hope you found this video useful, and certainly in these hard times, hard financial times, it will save you a few pennies and keep your guns clean. Thanks for watching.